Okay.
Hi, it's Michelle Weiner-Merbaum from It's Our Turn Style. Did you guess from our Facebook page what all the items were going to be made into? If you guessed a bird feeder, yay for you! That is correct. And you know what? I don't know what it is, but I'm into this 1, 2, 3, simple is good. Keep it simple, stupid. I love that. Kiss. So, what we have here is we have our broom, a simple bud vase, any size plate of your choosing, and a little decorative piece, which could be used for bird seed later. Doesn't have to be, but it could be. It's really simple. What I did was, I just took, I hope you didn't think it was a cleaning episode because that's just not me. So, all you do is, we don't need that piece. All right, all we need is the epoxy. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then put it on the broom handle. So here we go. You're not going to believe how easy this is. I'm not going to lie. I saw this at a craft store, craft show actually, and I bought one and I said, I don't need to pay $15 for something like this. $4. So, first one, I'll choose the dinner plate and the pretty little butterfly. Make a little room for myself here. A little bit of epoxy, and make sure that it's waterproof because it is going to go outside for the birds. Okay, so there we go. Love the string. Put it down wherever you want. I like it there. I mean, can you get easier than that? Okay, now that the flower is inside our dish, what we're going to do is take this beautiful bud vase, $1. Put the epoxy on the glass and a little bit on the back of the plate. A little circle there. And I'm going to stick it right on top of our bud vase. Is that easy or what? Now, taking our broom, I let that dry a little bit. We just stick it on top of our broom, and there you have your simple bird feeder that will stick outside later with some bird grass for you to see. Bird feeder number 1. Bird feeder number 2. I thought this was so cute. I started taking it out. It's a ring holder, but I love shoes. So you just pop them out. They're glued in there pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I took them out before. So here we have our simple little shoe, and I thought it was delicate, so I found this little dish. How cute! So again, epoxy. Epoxy on you and your ancestors. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That'll dry our little vase. On top of the vase. And it's done, ready to be put on pole. Ready to be set outside. 2 in hardly any time, and they make great gifts for your friends. Here I am sitting in front of It's Our Turn Style office, rocking with my beautiful bird feeders. I hope we have company soon because this is so relaxing. Well, thanks for joining us at It's Our Turn Style. I gotta go back to work.